We've all been told the exact same story our entire lives. Go to uni, get a good, stable job, work hard, and happily retire at 65. But I need to be completely honest with you today. In 2026, relying on a single salary from a traditional 9-to-5 job is mathematically the riskiest financial decision you can possibly make. Welcome back to Quiet Wealth. Hi, I'm Amara, and I am so glad you're here. If you are new to the channel, I am a financial educator, and our community is all about playing the long-term wealth game rather than the flashy status game. We don't talk about looking rich, we talk about actually being rich, quietly and securely, behind the scenes. Today, we need to have a serious conversation about your income because the world of work is experiencing the biggest shakeup since the Industrial Revolution, and the traditional career as we know it might not exist by the end of the year. I am going to show you exactly why the illusion of a safe job is keeping you vulnerable and the step-by-step strategy you need to build what I call a portfolio career so you can sleep soundly at night, no matter what happens to the economy. Let us start by looking at the reality of the so-called safe job. For decades, the average person has been brainwashed to believe that having a job with a large corporation gives them ultimate security. We trade our time, our energy, and our ultimate earning potential for the comfort of a predictable monthly paycheck. But the truth is, security doesn't actually exist in the way we think it does. In just 1 month recently, employers cut more than 150,000 jobs, and in the UK alone, mass redundancies have jumped by 5% over the last year. Globally, the World Economic Forum predicts that around 83 million jobs could be displaced by 2027. And this disruption isn't just because companies are cutting costs or because the economy is unstable. It is happening because a completely new kind of worker has entered the job market, one that doesn't get tired, doesn't take holidays, and can outperform humans at an unbelievable speed. Artificial intelligence and automation are completely rewriting the rules of the workplace. A few years ago, most of us assumed that factory or manual workers would be the first to be replaced. But actually, thousands of highly paid white-collar workers are losing their jobs to AI. The World Economic Forum even predicts that 2/5 of the core skills workers rely on today will be entirely disrupted in the next 3 years. When you look at those numbers, it is easy to feel powerless, but this is exactly where we need to shift from a middle-class mindset into a quietly wealthy mindset. The middle class believes that jobs are the safest way to earn money, whilst the world class knows that outstanding performance and creating your own opportunities is the safest path. The wealthy know that relying on one single income stream from one single boss is incredibly risky. If you only have one job, you are one bad quarter, one management change, or one AI software update away from losing 100% of your income. So how do we fix this? We do not panic, we prepare. We need to completely rethink what a career looks like and transition into a portfolio career. If you have ever applied for a mortgage in the UK, you know how backwards the system can be. Mortgage lenders absolutely love seeing one full-time salaried job on your paperwork, even if that industry is declining or the job pays badly, because to them it looks stable. But if you are self-employed or earning from a mix of different sources, they consider you a higher risk. Yet mathematically, combining part-time roles, freelance gigs, side hustles, and investment income is vastly safer than putting all your financial security into one basket. Now, please hear me out. I am absolutely not telling you to march into your boss's office tomorrow and quit your job. Traditional employment comes with fantastic, valuable benefits like workplace pensions, sick pay, paid holidays, and healthcare. The goal here is not to burn bridges. The goal is to treat your 9-to-5 as a helpful tool rather than a hindrance. You can keep your secure job and build your portfolio of income on the side, dramatically reducing your risk. Here's exactly how you can start future-proofing your career today. First, I need you to completely stop investing your identity in your job title and start investing in your skills instead. Job titles disappear, entire departments get cut, and industries constantly shift, but your skills stay with you forever. Instead of walking around thinking, I am a marketing manager or I am an accountant, I want you to think about what you can actually do. You can communicate clearly, you can manage complex projects, you can interpret data, and you can creatively solve problems. When you focus on your transferable skills, you give yourself the power to move sideways, diagonally, or completely pivot into a new industry if your current role becomes obsolete. The quietly wealthy know that their earning potential is directly tied to their skills and knowledge, and those compound forever. Make it a goal to learn one new high-value skill every single quarter. The second step is to embrace technology instead of running away from it. AI is not going anywhere. It will continue to automate tasks and transform professions. But if you learn how to use AI tools to generate ideas, analyze data, and improve your workflow, you'll instantly make yourself indispensable. Even senior executives are currently looking to hire people who are highly proficient in AI to see how efficiently they can run their companies. Become the person in your office who knows how to leverage these tools to save time and money. Third, you must build a personal brand. Now, don't panic. I'm not telling you to become a glamorous social media influencer and start vlogging your breakfast. You just need a solid, professional digital footprint that shows the world who you are and why they should trust you. Whether that's a clean LinkedIn profile, a simple website, or a portfolio of your case studies, you need to be visible. When thousands of people can apply for the exact same job in minutes using automated software, your visibility and reputation are what will set you apart. The spotlight effect makes us think everyone knows what hard work we're doing, but the truth is, nobody is watching unless you show them. You have to showcase your work to invite luck and opportunity into your life. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, be human. In a world where everyone around you is outsourcing their thinking and writing to AI, embracing your own unique personality gives you a massive advantage. AI only knows what it has been programmed to know based on past data. By getting out into the world, having meals with colleagues, initiating deep conversations with strangers, and experiencing real life, you build genuine relationships and gain insights that are simply impossible for an algorithm to replicate. People do business with people they know, like, and trust. When a great opportunity comes up, people rarely search a database. They think, who do I actually like and trust to handle this? Building a portfolio career is about shifting your mindset from survival to abundance. It's about taking the energy you currently spend worrying about whether your job is safe and redirecting it into creating a life where you have so many options that it simply doesn't matter. You are the architect of your own destiny. If you start today by auditing your skills, learning how to leverage AI, and planting the seeds for a secondary income stream, you'll arrive in 2026 feeling calm, secure, and entirely in control of your financial future. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. If this video resonated with you, please hit that subscribe button to join our Quiet Wealth community. We are building a space full of people who are taking back control of their time and their money. Drop a comment below and tell me one skill you are going to focus on developing this quarter. I read every single comment and I can't wait to hear from you.